Okay, you can see here that I'm also having the same problem. You can see now I've recovered my own, so it is said welcome back. I'm going to show you how to recover your own too. Okay, you can see here my account is successful. My account was successful recovered, and you can see here account recovered successful. So I'm going to show you how I've recovered this account. Before we start this process, I ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button, so when I upload new video you can get notification. Also, in my next video I'm going to show you how to secure your accounts so you're not going to lose it. And let's start the main process. And let's go. Before you can recover accounts, you will need these two things. You need these two things. Recovery phone, and recovery email. You need that two things before you can recover your account. But if you don't have that two things, I'm also going to show you how to do it without that recovery, with the phone recovery and email recovery. If you don't have that two options on your email, if you didn't set up all these two options, I'm also going to show you how to do it without that two options. Okay, let's start. Just simple open your Chrome browser. After opening your Chrome browser, search for Google recovery. After search for Google recovery, it's going to give you option like this, and click on Google support, how to recover your Gmail account. After that, scroll it. Follow the step to recover your Google account or Gmail, and click on it. After that, here you need to enter your Google account, your Gmail. You need to enter it. But if you don't remember your Gmail, you can also try this forget email. But that said, when you click on the forget email, it's going to ask you for a recovery email or telephone, or your phone recovery, like the phone number that you have connected to your Gmail account. So it's going to ask you. So if you don't know that, unless you remember your Gmail account, or if you don't remember your Gmail account, I don't know another option again. That means you can recover your Gmail without that three things. So now let's enter our Gmail account. After enter my Gmail account, I need to click on next. After next, after click on the next, it's going to ask you to enter your password, or the last password that you have remember that you have set for this particular email before it was lost or it was hacked. So you need to enter that password. After enter that password, it's going to your email going to recover. This is how I did my own. But if still you don't remember that your previous password, you can also use this option. You can also click on try another way. But when we try, you click on that try another way, it is also going to ask you your recovery phone number and your recovery Gmail. And if you don't have that two things, like how I have told you already, if you don't have that two things and you don't have your previous password, you have lost your Gmail account. I don't think there is any way to recover your Gmail account. So, or unless you try other tutorial, see if some will going to fix for you. But to me, I don't think there is any way to recover your Gmail account, because God is make sure that them secure your Gmail, so nobody is can only you can be access to the Gmail. That's why they have make the system like that. So the next time when you are going to get a new SIM card, a new Gmail, you need to enter all those security those security recovery, like your phone number and your recovery email. You have to enter that two things.